So this is video 4 of my series on my signaling system. I'm going to power on the layout, let you watch everything boot up, and then I'll start up a single train running around the track. I just clicked my remote control power button. See all the 5 8266s all light up with a blue light when they start up. As they connect up to the Wi-Fi, the blue lights will go off. At the same time, you can see the WTIU on the left blinking its startup button, so it's also going through boot up and connecting up to the Wi-Fi. Okay, there we go. So all the LEDs are off on that 5. And actually, by this time, the LEDs are off on all 15 of the 8266s underneath the layout. So I've got the layout powered on, and I'm about ready to start up the single engine. So I'm running the RS3 P&LE 8356. I just want to show you here the exit signal from the siding that it's on is green, indicating the block ahead of it is clear. The signal in the opposite direction is red, indicating that the block, of course, where the RS3 is occupied. As the train passes through that exit signal, it turned to red, indicating that the block ahead of it is occupied. And the signal in the opposite direction turned to green, indicating that the siding that was previously occupied by the RS3 no longer is. At the other end, the signal coming into the college siding shows red. Because what's happening now is that this engine is going between the J&L siding where it started off and headed to college. We'll just wait for that engine to come around. So there's the engine coming up the hill. As it passes from the Beaver Falls block to the college block, the signal will turn green, indicating now that the block behind the train is empty. We'll come over here back to my favorite signal, signal 10. It's indicating red because the engine is now occupying the blocks ahead of the red signal. As the train comes down, passes that detector, the signal will turn green. At the same time, that signal turned green. Signal 9 for eastbound traffic turned red because the block ahead of that signal is occupied. As the train makes progress, that signal drops to yellow, or approach. And then once the second block ahead is cleared, that signal will turn green.